I dey excited with the experience and intelligence of the quality of people wey join us for our first Edo Security Summit. Edo Governor Godwin Obaseki tok dis one for the Security Summit dinner wey shele for Benin City. Governor Obaseki come still tok say the purpose of governance na to secure the life and properties of citizens, and without security, governance no mean anything, and say for am, anybody or everybody wey fit secure Edo or Nigeria suppose be priority.
On their behalf, I want to thank and welcome all of you who joined us today to participate in our first Security Summit. So much has been said, and I think I have very little to add to what has been said through the sessions today, except to say that I'm so excited at the quality of those of you who have joined us. Just listening to each and every one of you speak, the experience, the depth of knowledge, the incisiveness of your thoughts, and the relationships you've had with us through the years without us even knowing just came to the fore. I didn't know General's mother lives in this town, so we have to go and see her. Because she's my citizen. As we reiterated all day, the purpose of government is to secure the life and property of the citizens that are being governed. Without security, governance does not mean anything. Governance cannot exist. So, for me, I think anyone and everyone who can support our efforts to secure Edo and Nigeria should be priority. As we discussed early today, security is the responsibility of all of us. But more importantly, security is local. It's like politics. Sometimes you are reading in international press what's good country like Nigeria, and you are saying, well, but all these things they are saying, I live in the country, but I don't experience any of it because it's happening somewhere else.
Some ogbonge people wey tanda for the event come still chook mouth for the better thing Oga Obaseki don do for security matter for Edo State. They come talk say,
we are only while you are here, not when you are out. You have a greater role to play in the development of this country. This is just the beginning. So stepping out or winding down as a governor, I know Edo State will still need you. They will need your counsel, they need your advice. We appreciate you very well. I want to continue to establish relationship from now on with Edo State. I will take special interest in the activities in Edo State more than what I have been doing before. I want to congratulate you again and urge you that we are available. Anything you want us to do, even at no cost, we'll do it for the good of this state.
What we saw today, he has put his name in the sands of time, and I think he has set the pace for others to follow. Without saying any doubt of contradiction, Excellency, we're indeed pleased with what we have seen in Edo State today. It's an eloquent testimony of what we have been reading about. Now we have come, now we have seen, and we are going out of Edo State with a very, very strong impression of what we have been reading about here.
Edo State, through the instrumentality of the governor, using his relationship with the EVC, secured the short code that you heard about today, 739, within 24 hours of seeking the approval. And the implementation happened in less than 1 month. That line was off. We got the approval in less than 24 hours, and in less than 1 month, that line was off. His Excellency, all credit to you. I come from Enugu State, and I'm sure most of you know the challenges of security in Enugu State. I have told Kingsley that we're going to take this template. We were having that conversation and that we want to move it to my state. Because, yes, we would make it happen. I've already spoken to the Chief of Staff. We're only waiting to have this event happen before we get to speak with him and see how we can take the template for Edo State to other states. Indeed, I also want to say again that because of the account that we provided in terms of how Edo State EC3 has been positioned as a model center for emergency communications, our EVC took a particular interest, and he was very desirous of being at this event, except for the impromptu assignment that came for him. He wanted to meet the governor personally to discuss this template as a basis for also engaging with other state governors across the country. His Excellency, I want to show you that that visit would still happen. But like the proactive governor he is, he says to me that he wouldn't wait until he comes, that he would even come to see the governor, the executive vice chairman himself. So ladies and gentlemen, the account of His Excellency is an account of success.
The city of Miami Gardens come presents award give Edo State leadership for their monument achievement for security matter.
And Edo State Security Summit. As a visitor to Edo State, I am proud to say that because of the work and leadership of our esteemed governor and the enviable work of Honorable Kingsley Uwagbere, we can proudly say that Edo State is a safe place to do business and work, to play and grow our families. That deserves a round of applause. It is my honor to present an award and commendation to the leadership of Edo State for this historical and monumental achievement. It's given on behalf of the city of Miami Gardens, and it reads, whereas on behalf of our 113,000 residents, the city of Miami Gardens is honored to celebrate Thursday, December 7th as Edo State Security Summit Day. And whereas December 7th marks the Edo State Security Summit and launch of Edo State Command Control Center, bringing together key stakeholders in the security sector, including governmental officials. Thank you, Governor, and from my office in the city of Miami Gardens for your exemplary leadership, I would love to present this award for outstanding leadership presented to His Excellency Goodwin Obaseki for your stellar accomplishment as convener of the 2023 State Security Summit presented by Honorable Shannon Lady Ighodaro, Councilwoman Seat 3, Thursday, December 7th, 2023. Thursday, December 7th, 2023.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am, we no dey take blame. From Benin City, Belumi Mukoro, TMC TV News.